Oh, hi. Where am I?
Gluten, what are you doing in my kitchen?
I was about to bake some gluten burger buns with this pumpkin, yeah.
Maybe we should make some burgers.
Yes, but first, let's make the dough.
Let's do this.
George, let's start with the dough. This is like a potato rolls, only that we're going to do it with a pumpkin. The ingredients are flour, sugar, some salt, yeast, of course the pumpkin, and milk instead of water.
You know where these bowls are from?
Yes.
Brazil.
Brazil?
Yeah. They really are, actually. They're from Brazil.
Let's start. We mix everything.
How you doing?
Oh,
yeah.
What's that? Now, so
Exciting.
the sugar.
Yes. Very clean chef.
Yes, a clean chef.
Yeah, very clean chef.
One egg. We want to open it?
Yes, please.
And then we add the milk. And we start mixing. So do you make your own burger buns?
No.
This is the
That's
first time.
crazy. Why would I be burger buns?
Yeah.
We live in the USA. You can have everything. Whatever you want.
Yeah, but not pumpkin buns.
No, that's right. I've actually, to be honest, I've never heard of a pumpkin bun. So
And not yet the gluten burger bun.
there you go.
More
Good
milk.
color.
Yeah, good color, yeah. Natural.
You make this look so easy, Gluten.
Yeah, well, I'm gluten. So tell me, what's your favorite burger bun?
Favorite burger bun?
Or how it should be?
You don't want the answer. I like a classic, no frills, what I call it a white squishy bun.
With
It's
sesame
inexpensive.
or without sesame?
With no sesame. I don't
No
need sesame.
Okay.
That's overrated.
Butter goes in. Take a look at the dough. It's completely different.
It's orange.
Yeah?
First of all, for starters, it's the
This should be weighing around 80 grams.
80 grams. Okay.
Yeah, given some tension. The idea is that we have this crust should be like a dome.
Okay.
Right? And now we put here the balls. And do you want to make one ball?
Sure.
Okay. 80 grams, remember.
80 grams. You got it.
There we go.
I might make it like I don't know what I'm doing. So.
It's like a meatball. Yes, like a meatball. Think you're doing a
What was
meatball.
that? What were you doing with this thing here? I don't.
You know, you have burgers in your veins.
I don't know. Oh, it's pretty close.
Put it here.
Okay.
Put it here, and then you do it like this.
Oh.
This is the gluten touch.
Never the gluten touch.
The magic of the addition will do everything, and we should have more buns already shaped and baked, right?
Baked, yes.
Okay, so this is for you.
Into my oven, thank you.
Okay, let's go. By the way, that way. Now it's time to prepare the egg wash. We're going to use equal parts of egg and milk. We mix it. And then we brush each one of the buns. Now we let them rise till they double in size, and then we bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Wow! Here are the buns.
That's warm.
Beautiful oven you have.
Beautiful.
Huh?
Thank you.
Yeah. That is hot.
It's very hot. Ooh.
Hot. Ooh.
You're not Brazilian? I thought
You?
were. No.
I thought you were Brazilian. No, I'm not Portuguese.
He's from Argentina.
Yeah.
Lo siento.
Oh, no problem.
I mean, I love it. When you take a bite of a burger, first thing you smell is not beef, but yeast. You know that, right?
Okay, now I'm all yours.
Let's do this. Let's make some burgers.
Yeah. Oh, well, where are we? In Brazil?
We're not in Brazil. We're not in Argentina. We're in my backyard.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful backyard.
This is my outdoor kitchen.
Let's make a mess here, too.
Let's do it, yes. First of all, I think we need to toast the buns, right? We're going to toast the buns?
Yes.
A little bit. Oops, that's perfect right there. So it's a little lower on the bottom and taller on top.
Tell me what you feel.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow, that smells really good, actually. The best way to make a spreader. Hammer a spoon. I'm going to make for you my version of the Oklahoma fried onion burger.
Wow.
5 ingredients, ready? Beef, cheese, salt, onion, bread. Obviously, here it is.
Yeah. About the meat that we're going to use for the patty.
It's
a secret.
So 75% lean, 25% fat.
What, do you grind it 1 time or 2 times?
You should grind it twice. You should have your butcher grind it twice so that all of the meat is actually, it's completely
Yes.
combined. It should look like, as my friends
Like
in
a
Argentina say,
pate.
well, pate, you like it,
Yeah,
or they say
sausage,
in French, or like strawberry ice cream.
Strawberry ice cream, yeah.
A strawberry ice cream, see that?
You know how many grams?
90. About 90,
grams.
yeah, about 90.
Wow.
Sounds good, okay, good sound.
That's a good sound.
Good sound. Salt.
That's the only thing that you add to the
That's
meat.
it. That's it. So the next thing is thin sliced Vidalia onions. See that?
How you do that?
on a mandolin. So around the world, it's white onion. In the U.S., it's a sweet onion. It's a,
Sweet onion.
yeah, from Georgia. So
Could you use the red onion now?
no, never.
Never.
Never. Sweet onion has a lot of sugar in it, and it's good. You need to caramelize the onions
yeah.
quickly. So also they cook quickly because they're so thin. See that?
Yeah, it's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot, but it cooks down to about half. Now, next, very important, you have to have the right spatula.
The spatula.
Spatula.
Wow, it
Amazing.
smells amazing.
Amazing already, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it cooks fast, super fast.
It's the onion.
That's it. Ooh, look at that. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
That's that. Now we win.
So you make just one patty, not two patties.
No, it's one patty.
One
You
patty
can make a
is okay.
double. Yeah, you can make two.
At Americas, you're going to have double, triple.
We're gonna have only doubles and singles. That's it.
Doubles and singles.
That's
okay.
it. Yeah, American cheese, which, as you know, is kind of hard to find in Argentina.
We have the Brazilian one.
Right. Oh, yeah.
That's true. That's true.
So
It's
not good.
Brazilian.
Now what I would do is put our toasted bun back on top there. Look at that.
The crown.
Now I do that because I can control it. See that?
Yeah.
I can now control what I'm doing. The crown, right?
And the moist goes into the bread too and make it like this. Take a look at this.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice trick.
Just so it's all steaming together. See that?
So you told me the pandemia, you were doing this outside of your window.
Well, bring it back here, and then we were sending burgers to the front and sending them down a slide.
Wow.
A socially distanced 6-foot
Famous
slide.
sliders.
Yeah, there's the. That's right. And people came from all over the place. It was great.
Wow.
To basically, they bought burgers on an app, on their phone, and then they could come and pick it up whatever time they wanted. They could schedule your burger for 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
Or 4 o'clock.
Incredible.
Yeah. That's how we survived. That's how we all survived.
Yeah.
Pick it up. We pinch. We pull. We're done. That's it.
Wow.
That's how-
The pickles.
Pickles. Yes. Pickles.
Ah.
Pickles are important. Go ahead. Yes.
Pickles, always pickles.
Well, we're gonna put them on the side.
Oh,
Do
sorry.
this here again.
Okay.
On the side right there. Look at that. Perfect. And it's really great. Actually, is mustard is really good on this.
Okay.
So
So with the mustard,
what we'll do.
the bun.
Yep. Perfect. There's plenty.
Wow.
Pretty good.
Another thing about this. Cheers. Thank you for the invitation.
Oh, thank you for the bun.
Oh.
The bun is good. I like it.
Well, so tell me, George, you're about to open a new burger joint.
Yes, in Manhattan, Soho,
Soho.
on Macdougal and Houston,
Wow.
in Soho.
Well, thank you for watching. Leave some comments. Follow George, and let's make burgers.
Thank you. Thanks, Gluten.
Thank you again, and I'll see you in Brazil. I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you want to learn more about sourdough bread and sourdough starter, I encourage you to check the link on the description. And remember, this masterclass was specially designed for you.